without mentioning to whom, when, or where. 'Tis evident that the word derogatory admits of infinite shades. How are you to judge of the degree intended? I have the honor to be, respectfully, General James Copeland.
Sir, the question is not one of grammatical accuracy, but rather whether you've uttered expressions derogatory to my honor. Your letter furnishes me with new reasons for requiring a definite reply.
We're going to be late.
That line was
What is
low.
an intruder without an insult?
It was low when I heard it.
Yeah.
When you had it. The rumble's fine.
I deem it inadmissible on principle to consent to being interrogated as to what